This is Atya here, and today I am here back with an important topic, and that is secondary metabolites. Okay, this is a part of plant physiology, unit 6, secondary metabolites. Now, first of all, when it comes to plants, okay, there is something called as primary metabolites. There is something called as secondary metabolites. Okay, what are primary metabolites? Primary metabolites are products which take an active role in plants' physiology. Okay, for example, amino acids or certain proteins or anything which takes, without that the plant won't be present. Okay. Secondary metabolites are products which usually are not at the forefront of a plant's physiology, but they may take part in defense. Okay, so secondary metabolites are products of plants only which take part in defense. Primary metabolites take part in the direct function of plants. Secondary metabolites do not take part in direct replication, direct respiration, amino acid synthesis or anything. That is why they are called as secondary, because without them also plants may be able to function, but the defense of plants will get compromised. But then these products may not play a role in plant physiology. So what do secondary metabolites take part in? They take part in herbivory. Okay, and they protect the plant against herbivory. Herbivory means any plant is being eaten by a predator. Okay, that is called as herbivory. Then against any kind of fungal or bacterial diseases, to attract pollinators. Okay, without pollination the species of that plant will not be propagated. For symbiotic nitrogen fixation, as we all know, in symbiotic nitrogen fixation, plants cannot fix nitrogen on their own because the atmospheric nitrogen has a triple bond. Okay, so what it does is it combines its powers with bacteria which has nitrogenous enzyme and makes the nitrogen available for plants. Secondary metabolites also play an important role for attracting pollinators or for attracting animals which will help in their seed dispersal. Okay, so eventually for plant propagation of species also it plays an important role. And as I have mentioned, it plays a role in defense of the plant. So let me share with you all what are the 3 different types of secondary metabolites. These are not the only classes. However, these are the 3 main classes of secondary metabolites which have been identified: terpenes, phenols and nitrogen containing compounds. So let us understand first what terpenes are. So terpenes are the largest class, okay, of secondary metabolites which are present. This is the major class. It is lipid soluble. IPP is the monomer unit, okay, and it is produced by acetate pathway, which is mevalonic acid pathway, and also by methyl erythritol pathway. Okay, so it is produced by 3 different pathways. So what are these pathways that I will flash somewhere on the screen in brief, but however for now you can know that phenols as written are water soluble. They are made up of aromatic amino acids. Okay, aromatic amino acids are amino acids like phenylalanine, tyrosine and tryptophan, which have a ring structure in it. Okay, they are produced by shikimate pathway, produced also by malonic acid pathway and also by mevalonate pathway, but that is quite rare. Okay, so shikimate pathway and malonic acid pathway, these are the major contributors of phenol. Moving on to nitrogen containing compounds. These are heterocyclic ring compounds. They are synthesized by amino acids, obviously, and they are produced primarily by shikimic acid pathway. Okay, they could be toxic, and some of them could be can have medicinal values. So these are the three classes of compounds. We will be studying the pathways like shikimate pathway, malonic acid pathway, and mevalonate pathway in detail later. So please drop me a comment if you would want a video regarding this, okay, and let me know your thoughts on this.